is, well, I'll put my gauge on it right now. See, basically what's happening is the original pipe on the truck is a 2 1/4 OD. So we need to Mickey Mouse and clamp this all together. Well, it's not, I mean, we probably want them like 6 inches, but if they're short, I can always, the welder I can get at, you can't get the card in, I can make something. Okay, so the muffler that we bought is basically outside is 2.37, actually.
Yeah, we call it too.
Yeah, so the inside of the muffler is 2 1/4, so we need a 2 1/4 OD.
Smaller.
We could slide it in there. Yeah, so yeah, then I can slide it in the pipe, right? Yeah. Or downtown as in Battle Street. Okay, I'm gonna, yeah, go ahead with that. 41956. And that should be 2 1/4 ID and 2 1/4 OD. And they say how long are they? 12 inches? Oh, awesome. Okay, man. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye. No, I didn't regret it. Guinea pig. Okay, they have these adapters, which would be 2 1/4 ID, 2 1/4 OD, 12 inches long.
Well, it can't be 2 1/4 OD, because that'll be the same as this. They both either have a slip in, or they both have a slip on the outside. I'd be better off just going Canadian Tire, because they got every adapter.
Yeah, no, they got everything there. They're ready to.
That's how I did the one with my weed truck. I just went in the Canadian Tire, and the guy helped me go, hey, let's put this on, let's put this on.
Yeah, I don't know why they don't have them at Lordville. I thought I had some spares that I didn't use.
Well, what they do is Lordville, like I said, they sell you that, and it's not the right size, there's like muffler reducers and muffler expanders, right? A muffler shop, they just grab any old one and expand it or reduce it.
Yeah, good time to go for another drive and then it blows away. No, I don't think we can make these work without them looking or dangling. Your pipe basically sitting straight. The minute you try and make that pipe go, like it's gonna want to join in like that. You must.
Well, if you put it on an angle, like I said, then it reduces how far apart it's got to go. Because the front one basically you can't move, right? It comes out of the manifold, there's no play there very much.
Well, you want to move your whole pipe?
No, not move it, but it'll tilt though, right? From the back one, right? The right back hanger, it'll move a lot, right? It'll go up, down, whatever.
Yeah, it's gotta be able to adjust to it.
Hanger.
The thing is, once we cut those off, it's gotta get done. I mean, I don't wanna, we can't be screwed up on it. We've always got other door code. Those guys don't even want to talk to you.
What do you got on this thing, bottle?
One single bottle. Just a stock piece of junk. These guys here are nicer.
Thing is, we're not gonna beat the price on that.
Hey, Michelle, it's me. How's it going? Raining. No, I packed it in. It's too much money to go out there and do that and not do it. Oh yeah, no, everything's good there. Everything's ready, but I mean, by the time you load everything up and go, you're pretty well, and you get rained out, you don't get your money back, and it's not cheap to tow a car out to Merritt or Vernon, right? Well, I could have went to either one. I wasn't going to go to Merritt just because it was their opening day, but that big cloud going that way too. Yeah. So anyway, we're trying to fix my brother's truck here. Wait, do besides those rafters,
That's the inside you need right there, that's, right there.
you know those raptor mufflers? Do they make them with it straight in and straight out? Okay. All these are just extensions, weld-on extensions.
No, I know, but that, where it gets smaller on there, that's the size that'll fit in there.
2 and 8, that's 2. No, like, do they make them, what I mean is like, do they, you know how you look at the muffler and it goes straight in, the one outlet straight on the muffler and the other one out to the side? I'm wondering if, besides the bottle that goes straight in, I'm wondering what the cheapest muffler would be that goes, like, it doesn't have to go in the middle, it can go out each end, but we kind of need them in line with each other. No, it's raining, I don't want to get, he's got bottles on there now.
Hello.
I just want to have, he's got a brand new blender, so it touches ice. Yeah, it's, well, he's got bottles on there, so if we went with an offset muffler, then I'd have to get it bent, right? So what's the next cheapest one, you think? It can be any size. We're hoping for around, somewhere around, like the body of the muffler no smaller than, say, 19. Oh, sorry, his pipe is 2 1/4. So whatever we can work with that, with adapters and, cool, thanks. How about 2 bottles, purple orange?
I don't know what she said.
Not for the first guy said.
I got a cherry bomb, makes them turbo mufflers, they call them.
Cherry bomb, those are just basically nothing mufflers, like, I think those are hollow, right?
Yeah, they are.
They're just so you can save the muffler. 2 cherry bombs, oh no, that would probably still be too noisy, eh?
It's long, but they're,
No, you can get them that long. Red hot?
yeah, I don't want cherry bombs, there's no muffler in there.
A little. Put cotton in them.
These will work because the offset ain't that much. If it was up and down, then that'd be a lot. Right, the difference in there is only,
Well, I mean, if you wanna go with those, and the worst thing happens is you drive away with them bolted on and that's it, and you have to do something with that pipe another day then.
bend it.
Well, or if we can't make it work, I mean, we can hang that pipe up so it's not flopping, because it's have basically no sticking out. Oh, that's what I did on my race car,
Well, that's what I did on my other truck.
straight out. But what I'm saying is, once we cut that, we're screwed. It's gotta go back somehow.
Yeah.
She's upstairs looking.
Well, then if we shorten the hangers, that'll pull it up. That's what I was saying, we can pull it up and it should be easy.
Pull it up. You don't want the mufflers on long way.
No, on an angle. other ones that I do in Boston like that, they're still tucked up nice. So that's a short, it's not that big of a muffler.
Doesn't do it out. But I know the absolute easiest way is to have even, same spot.
Yeah, I know, but that's a good price on that.
Well, I'm gonna get whatever, I'll get the best price you can find, and if it's too much, we'll do something with that. Too bad I didn't make a bendable one.
Well, they do, but
Junk.
I tried that before. Tried using it as a tailpipe, it lasted about a month.
Dry it till they get hot. Oh, really? Sure. 2 1/4. For it wouldn't even have to go in like straight in the middle, it could go on the same, like the end, and that's on the end. We just kind of want it, yeah, just so we can put it right in line with the pipe straight. Yeah, we'll try to quiet this thing down. Yeah, they don't make that one in different, like, variations. The middle one for a bit. Yeah, that's right. It doesn't have to be a Raptor. We're just looking for straight in, straight out, and
same price.
Oh yeah. Yeah, exactly.
I mean, they had one there that looked the same, but fuck, it was 117.
Yeah. Oh, really?
That's probably the cheapest one.
Yeah. All right. Well, maybe we can figure out something. Now, my brother, he was up there and he picked up some adapters for them. Wrong adapters. What we needed was, like, what size fits into 2 1/4? Is it 2 1/8 or? Yeah, like you guys really. Well, his tailpipe, like the pipe we're gonna use, is 2 1/4 OD, right? So, and I'm looking at these mufflers here are 2 1/4 OD as well. Well, we need one to slip over the tailpipe, so that would be the next size up from, you know what I mean? Well, that says 2.3. I'm putting my gauge on it. It's 2.38, but they must be 2 1/4 for that. Well, I don't know. That's a weird thing. Because the inside of this muffler is dead on 2 1/4. So we need one to slide in one side, and on the other side to slide over it. What store is that? Yeah, we'll try to quiet this thing down. They don't make that one in different, like, variations. For the reducer, he just gave us like dead on, even 2 1/4. Yeah, that's right. Connectors. It doesn't have to be a Raptor. We're just looking for straight in, straight out, and
same price.
Oh yeah.
I mean, they had one there that looked the same, but fuck, it was 117.
Yeah. Don't they make those so that I use 2 1/4 and nobody on the other 2 1/4? Shouldn't they slide? Oh, really, eh? Sometimes.
That's probably the cheapest one.
Yeah, alright, well, maybe we can figure out something, now, my brother, he was just up there and he picked up some adapters for them. It's 2.25 OD. Like his actual pipe on that were on the truck is 2.25 OD. So the ID would be less. So basically you're going from the motor with all the way starting from 2.25, then we need the muffler or the adapter to slide into that 2.25 OD and then onto the muffler. The ID 2.25. I wonder which, out of your two stores here, like Valley View or where you're now, which one's got like the bigger selection of those things? Well, yeah. And dude up the hill gave me this part number, 41956. So it's like an extension. Yeah, that's just, we'll try to quiet this thing down. So they don't make that one in different, like, variations? Yeah, that's right. It doesn't have to be a Raptor, we're just looking for straight in, straight out, and
Same price.
Oh yeah.
I mean, they have one there that looks the same, but fucking 17.
Yeah. Oh really, eh?
That's probably the cheapest one.
Yeah, alright, well, maybe we can figure out something, now, my brother, he was just up there and he picked up some adapters for them. Maybe I just like. But the outside diameter would, I think the problem that we're going to run into is the tailpipe